In this video, I'll show you how to add a Discord server role color. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, what you need to do, you need to create a row, right? So we're going to click on server settings. Once that's come up, you're going to see the rows. So we're going to click on the create. So I can create a new row. I can give this row the name of let me say entrepreneur, right? So once you are done with this entrepreneur, so if you want to give it this row the entrepreneur row color, what you're going to do now, you're going to select from this pick, right? I can select from I can pick the green. I'm going to click the save changes, right? So you can see from this color, this entrepreneur row is green color, and if I give this row to my name, right, add row entrepreneur, you can see it has the green color. So this is how you can give a row color here on Discord. If you find this video helpful, share this video in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.